Guys, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can connect to your laptop. I have a laptop here. How you can connect your laptop to your television, okay, wirelessly without any HDMI wire. Yes, you can connect your TV via HDMI wire or via other means, but in your Windows, there's a way you can connect your laptop to your television wirelessly, okay? Now, let me show you guys how to do this, all right? Now, come over to your keyboard and type Windows K. Once you type Windows K, before you do this, make sure you power on your television, okay? Once you type Windows K, you guys can see that there's Samsung TV, which is in my room, and there's WebOS, which is this. And I'm going to be using this WebOS to demonstrate that. Now, all you need to do is come over here and click on this WebOS. Just click on it. If you click on it on the TV, you will notice that you see something popped up on the TV. And my screen on my laptop is now the television screen. The first time you're going to do this, it's going to tell you to accept. So all you need to do is just carry your remote, your TV remote, and accept it. And after that, once you type that Windows K and see your television and connect, that's it. All right? You guys can see here, allow, mouse, keyboard, blah, blah, blah. Then allow. So now my television is displaying what my laptop is displaying. Okay, let me minimize it so that you guys can see. Let me open OBS. Okay, I'm recording with the OBS. Let me go over to my YouTube. You guys can see. So you can actually, if you're the kind of person that you have eye problem, the laptop screen is too small for you, you can actually utilize this means wirelessly. You don't need to worry yourself. Sit down on your couch, anywhere you are, just connect your laptop to your TV, and you'll be working directly on your TV. And the good thing about this is that the sound on the laptop and the visual comes out, both the visual and the sound. Okay, let me show you guys now. All right, let me go over here. This is a YouTube video. Let me play this video so that you guys can see. The sound is going to be coming out from my television. Okay, hold on. Let me go over to my volume and increase my volume. I think my TV is on mute. So let me unmute my television. All right. So
subscriber. Right now, her channel is over 2,000 subscribers, which is 2 point something K subscriber.
So you guys can see that the sound on the laptop is coming out on my television. So you can use this to edit movie, you can use this to watch movie, you can use this to browse, you can use this to do anything. All right, it's quite very simple. Just Windows K, and that's it. It pops up. You connect your TV. Make sure that your television is on. Connect your TV. The first time it's going to tell you to accept, and that's it. And your TV will turn to your monitor instead of going to buy a big monitor. You can use your television to do anything that you do in your office, in your house, or anywhere. Sometimes if I want to edit videos, I can just sit down on my couch and I just connect my laptop and, you know, use wireless mouse or wireless mouse. This is my wireless mouse and wireless keyboard. And I'll be working straight on my television. It's quite very easy and it's more convenient. So in case if you're watching my video for the first time, meanwhile, if this video was useful to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuiken Kingsley, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my video, make sure you hit the subscription button and turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative. Like always, remain blessed.